Hello friends, this is Anand Harsh once again. I'm with you with the basics of Oracle Tangi. I, I hope you are liking my videos. Today we are concerning the alter command of Oracle Tangi. The In the past lecture we considered the update command is used to update or modify the data which is stored in a table. But we cannot change the structure of the table created in Oracle Tangi. That means I mean to say the schema. We cannot change schema using the update command. So that is a kind of DML command. But if we are going to uh, change the schema, that is a alter command. That is a DDL command, data definition language command. Okay, so now first of all we take the part what alter command can do, and then we explain some of the examples today. Okay, so first of all, alter command statement all are the similar words. Alter can do add column or columns. Okay, then it can remove column or columns. Okay, and then it can change the data type of a column. It can change the size of the size of data type of a column, and it can add some constraint, and it can also drop some constraint. Okay, so these are the basic 6 operations a alter command can do. Today we consider add column and remove column. And add column also include the s, that means we can add number of columns alter command, and we can drop or remove number of columns also alter command. The basic difference between alter and update command is that update uses update and then table name, whereas alter uses alter table keyword, then it has to be returned table name. Okay, so the basic difference is that. So if you want to remember this command, you can use the table keyword in the alter table. The basic difference between these two. Now, the first of all, we are moving towards the first operation of the alter command, that is add columns. So the syntax for the first command, add column, a single column. We are using a single column. Okay, so syntax is alter table, that is table name, add add then bracket column name, then it's data type, and then it's size, and the main bracket is goes here. So this is the first command. We can add column, a single column. So if you want to add more than one columns, you can use alter table name, then add bracket call one name, it's data type, and along with its size. Then we move to another column which we want, column second name, its data type along with its size, and multiple columns if we want to add in our table. This command helps in most of the cases when we forgot to add some columns when we are creating tables. Um, we can say that for future enhancement, if a organization need only 4 fields when the table is created or database is created, and now in for the future reference or in upcoming days, some new technology and new data arrived, and they want to update or uh, alter the schema, then the new columns added. So this facility is provided by Oracle Tangi and add columns at any time. So what happened when we alter a command? Let us see. It is already connected. Select star from. I'm using this table employee. There is 4 fields: ID, name, gender, and city. And we can see the description of this employee table, that is ID, name, gender, and city. So I'm going to add a single column that is salary of this employee. So I'm using alter table. Table name is emp add, then bracket, I'm using bracket, salary, and then number, and 5 or 6 comma 2, and then I'm closing the bracket. The table is now altered. You can see the message from that system showing that table is altered. Now how you can check that table is altered or not? Description of employee table, sorry, uh, then you can see a new field salary is added to its schema. So this is a DDL command. It can change the scheme. So now select star from emp. Now one more thing is that a column is added, but there is nothing to insert in a data value. We must have to update this table according to their IDs, like 11 Vivek, 12 Vivek, 13 Savita, 14 Savita, and 1 Pami, on and their updated salaries. Okay. Now, if we want to uh, add more than one column at a single time, what we going to use is alter command salary. You can use and use fields like age, number 2, and date of birth. We are not considering data type yet, so we cannot use data type. We can use an office city, office, varchar 2, and size 10. Size 10. Okay, so I'm going to add 2 columns at a single time. So now table is altered. I can check that 2 more columns are added at a single time. So now we can see that the first thing, add column or columns are now clear. Okay, so we now move to the second option, that is drop or remove the column or columns from the table. Okay, so alter table name, always write like this: alter table name, drop, then column must be drop column, and then column name. Drop column. Okay. That is the command used for a single column if we are dropping a single column, and if we are dropping more than one columns, then we use this command: drop column, call one name, and call two name, etc. Okay, so we are using both the commands, the help of the changes in this bracket. Okay, so now we have three fields. First of all, we remove the office, and then we uh, remove the salary and age. Okay, so alter table emp drop column office. Okay, so now the table is altered, office is removed from our schema. There is no kind of entry for the office now. Okay, so now we are dropping um, more than uh, one columns from the table. Must have to apply bracket here, salary and age. So now uh, drop row and column is not applied here. Okay, so I'm changing, pardon for this mistake. Okay, drop, only column names are written one by one. No column keyword is written here. Now I'm using this command, table is altered. Now we can see that there is no field with us our table, that is salary or age or city. So now we consider only the first two commands, that is add columns and remove. In upcoming days we try this third, fourth, fifth and sixth, but fifth and sixth will be considered after the constraints are discussed. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this lecture very much. Um, thank you all of you. Have a good day.